Hello and welcome back to Everything Beauty's YouTube channel. I am so glad that you joined me. Let's jump right into our wig review for today. In the title, you notice that we will be reviewing the Janet Natural Yaki Texture Blowout Lace Wig. We're going to place her on. This beauty is Roxie. This is what she looks like. I will be modeling the 1B in color for you, and it does say that she can hold up to 360 degrees worth of heat. She does come in different colors that you see here on the back of the stock card. If you're wanting to see what she looks like, all you have to do is stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back shortly. So here's Roxie out of the pack here. She does come with that Swiss lace, hand-tied Swiss lace around the perimeter of the wig. She does come with baby hairs. Also, let me flip her inside out. You can see that there is this deep parting, Swiss lace parting here. It looks to be about maybe 3-4 inches deep here. She does come with a comb at the nape of the wig along with your adjustable band, and we do have 2 combs positioned in the front of the wig. Now normally we have the combs on the side of the wigs. These are positioned right in the front near that parting. Just wanted to make you aware of that. We're going to cut the lace off of this wig and have her on, and we'll be back in a second letting you see Roxie. Let me say this. I have shared with you time and time again that my favorite wigs are either the shoulder length curly wigs, so I have to get used to seeing longer hair on my head. However, I do love the style. It has that little flip with the curls. It does come in almost like layers the way it looks, but it's very full. The wig itself is very full. It's not heavy, however, so that's a plus. With the adjustable band and the 3 combs, you should be fine. But it does come with the ear-to-ear lace, and it will fit very comfortably on your head so that you can glue it down. Let me do a 360 so that you can see all sides of Roxie. Also, it comes very full. It doesn't feel like a thin wig whatsoever, and it's not heavy. So that's a plus as well. It does say that it can hold heat because it does have that heat resistant fibers made into the wig. I want to thank you all so very much for joining me. If you enjoyed this very quick video, I need you to go ahead and hit the thumbs up button for me. This helps to let the video go out to a number of people, not just you. We don't want to be selfish, do we? So go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, hey, we would love to have you here. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, my beautiful people, take care of each other and definitely yourself. And we'll be back next week with another wig review. Take care.